We're going to start with our blank project. To get it started, we need to go up to the Project tab and go to Project Information. And we said we would fill this out. And as we went through it, we filled out most of it, but we didn't cover one of the strategic things, and that is over here at the calendar. What hours are your folks going to work? Is it going to be after hours, or are you going to have to work 9 to 5, or is it on the weekends only? Depends on how you actually structure your project. So in order to fill that one in and how to manipulate and find out how to manipulate the work hours, I'm going to go up to Project tab, and I'm going to go to Change Working Time. This is my working calendar, and this is the one that comes with Project. It's called the Standard Calendar, and you'll notice that this is actually associated with it because it says it's the Project Calendar. The Project Calendar itself looks kind of like this, and this is the legend for it. To find out the details of this particular one, I'm going to go down here to Work Weeks and click that. There's the default, and I'm going to go over here to the details. In the details box, I can see exactly what day I'm looking at. So I'm looking at Sunday right now, and you'll notice that it doesn't show anything. So if I go to Monday, you'll notice very lightly I can see the working hours. So this is from 8 to noon, an hour for lunch, and then 1 to 5. If I need to modify that, I can do that by the day if I want to. So I can have my folks work overtime. I can have my folks work whenever they are available. So I'm going to click OK and leave this alone. But I am going to change this a little bit. So I'm going to go up here to Create New Calendar. And I'm going to make a copy of the standard, which is exactly what I want to do. But I'm going to name it after this particular project. So since this is a website project, I'm going to say this is the website hours, or I could call it website calendar. And I'm going to click OK. So do you want to save changes? You say, yep. Okay, so now I have the website hours. So I'm going to click OK. Going to go back to Project Information. And now I'm going to associate that calendar with the project. So if I go over here to Calendar, there's Standard. I'll pull that down, and there's Website Hours. So I'll select that, and now those hours are locked into my project. At that point, I can click OK, and my working hours are taken care of.